Assalamu alaikum students. So in module 1 we are going to discuss traditional versus digital business. After that we are going to discuss why digital business matters. Then what happens when digital business strategy is not clearly defined. At the end we are going to discuss 6 key steps to build a successful digital business. So how do we define a business? Business can be defined as an entity involved in purchase and sale of goods and services in order to make profit. ये तो business हो गया. अब digital business क्या है? Digital business can be stated as a business having no physical existence and being involved in sale and purchase of goods or services in order to make profit, just as in the case of normal traditional business. But digital business is basically with the use of technology or internet. This is basically the creation of new value chains and opportunities that traditional business does not offer. So what are the examples of traditional business? अगर हम देखें हमारे घर के करीब कोई grocery store है, small shop, these are all examples of traditional business. What are the examples of digital business? Daraz.pk. This is an example of digital business. OLX है. This is another example of digital business. हम सब अपनी लाइफ में इन वेबसाइट्स को यूज़ करते हैं और इनसे चीज़ें ऑर्डर करते हैं. Uber is also an example of online or digital business. We all know how these businesses function. Is there any physical shop from where we buy? Do they have timing to open and close so we can order? The answer is no, it is not like that. So what are the points of differences in the traditional and digital business? That's what we are going to discuss in our next video.